Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this gimbal that I received for the holidays, which would make it great. And I just got a DJI Action 4, and because of the way it mounts, this requires this cell phone mount. So I was able to get this adapter. They said that would work. Now, it's got mixed reviews, but obviously it's from Amazon. So what we're going to do is, this is supposed to spread it out, okay, and it's weighted. Oh yeah, that's got some good weight on the bottom, and you should be able to use the Action. I got a little mount for it, and I should be able to mount it, and this should balance this out. So let me go get the mount. All right, here it is. This is the thing that comes in the basic the Action camera, which is the mount. This is the one that allows the magnetic mount either on the side like so, or on the bottom, like so. So basically they want you to mount this to this, I'm thinking, right here, and that, like I said, that is significant. So let's mount that. Like so, and I'm going to mount it as flat as possible, because that's the way I want to use it. Okay, and let's mount the Action cam just like that, magnetic. Okay, here we go. And now we got to find the center. Okay, the center seems to be about right there, I'd say. Okay, so somewhere right around there is the center, because you want to mount it fairly in the center of so it can balance out. So there we go. Okay, looks like I put it on backwards, because if you look here, there's a thick side and a thin side. So I think I gotta go the other way, because it's actually going to be balanced the other way. If I remember correctly, this actually goes on the front of the camera. So let's move it over. I made a boo-boo. I made a mistake there. That's fine. Let's take this out, flip it over, and put it back in, like so. Okay, there we go. And that should be flat now. Yeah, that's better. And that's flat. Oh yeah, okay. And then this should go here on the front. Yeah, this is kind of funny, huh? Okay. So let's say I found the middle ground as, somewhere right around there. Right around here is the middle ground, and there we go. That actually sits there pretty good. And then let's open up our gimbal like so, and then I'm going to make the vertical attachment, and there's a little mark for that. Okay, and then once I turn on the gimbal here, power on, here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it's got the strength to do it. Okay, it's oh yeah, it's not bad. It's found something. Okay, alright, so what I need to do now is I need to disconnect. I'm going to rotate the gimbal, because this is a DJI gimbal too. So, and then I'm going to rotate it, because I think I had that upside down, because I'm doing everything wrong here. And then let's put this on, and let's see how it works. Okay. Alright, so let me show you what I got now. Okay, I'm on a little walk outside, and as you can see, it actually works pretty well. It pans, and it seems to work okay. So I'm gonna try it out on one of the videos. I gotta connect, other stuff, but I think this will work. Okay, guys, thanks for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day.